night we came here for dinner and they love it so much. We're here for breakfast. Heavy breakfast. We're not gonna order, we'll just share. Kay dako kaayo lang serving. Oh, ay, this is the lamb, Daphne. Lamb.
Chicken. I want chicken.
Ah, this is all chicken? No lamb?
Because I don't really want it.
Yeah. We're having our hot chocolate here in Butler's hot chocolate. Ooh. I got one of these, one of the hard salted caramel over there, and this one. Also, yeah, I think that's it. Looks good. Yummy. It's okay. Good, good.
So,
Yeah. Chocolate overload.
Mix it with your pita.
And she has chocolate chip cookie.
I thought you said in your pocket.
Oh, their church is like a castle. Oh. There's the Guinness. We're going to their storehouse. All stone. Stone. Tuk, tuk, tuk. Welcome to Guinness storehouse. The horse are big. Yeah, it's a big horse. Oh, I'm tartanilla, Riza. Tartanilla. Oh, 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 oh. Here's. Where's the entrance? Because you're always in a hurry. I'll check.
See? If you will get hit by the foot.
Wala na. You cannot remember your name for 3 days. Wait. First from Wicked Mountain. Come here, come here, come here. We've used the same strain of yeast since 1903. These are the barleys, anak. Samo traffic.
Kana gani ang mga lugar, mga traffic, gani gapon nga county lang. Mens katunan yang ang friend ng drive ng.
Pila po ka hours yung travel pa doon ito? Mga hours pa yatan. Hi. You wanna sit here with me? Come on.
I think the thing about having an archive of advertising, it's a bit like the shards of caution.
We're in the top 7th floor. Got the Guinness here.
Suko mas manong ay
You go get.
Ay bunda man.
Oh, nasoko si Kuya.
Cheers, 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 cheers. Cheers. Lawa na to.
Kami. Is yours is a 0?
Ha?
Yours is a, this no yours. Not 0.
Na zero. Na alcohol.
Oh, lami. You cheers. Cheers. We're here in Yamamori eating Japanese food in Dublin. Welcome to Yamamori. Yamamori.
Ang galwi is like
Salmon.
Brown rice con. Nindot mo ito mo dito.
gusto ng Japan.
Kung ka na kinahan dito kaya. Joseph?
The big one.
Di ba hard ka maton.
Hindi, at least lang nga. Palit mo ka ng tutumod mong midnight kasi palahin mo na.
Irish ice cream. Yum. What flavor is yours?
Bubblegum.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, it's pretty good, but
Pretty good.
Ang ice cream din ba? It's very good because it will not melt right away.
Yeah. What's yours?
French vanilla.
Frenchy vanilla.
Here, you don't have to worry about
Melting.
ice cream melting.